table. Hi guys, welcome to Amber TV. In this video, we're gonna open Polly Pocket. Big boom!
So in this video, we will be opening Polly Pocket. It's Splashtastic Pool Surprise! And we have to discover the hidden pocket worlds. Are you excited, Amber?
Yeah, and you can assemble it.
Yes, you are right. We can also assemble it. And look at this doll. Oh, who's this doll, Amber?
Polly.
Yeah, that's right. It's Polly. So we have two sizes here. We got two dolls and we also got two floaties. Oh, that's super cute. So we have Big Polly and the pocket size Polly. And we can also look for these other characters and pocket size.
Polly, and there's a baby Polly.
Yeah, so there's a pocket size and a big size. Are you excited?
Yeah, can I open it now?
Yes. Splish Splash, Polly and our friends are making waves at the pool, filled with tiny surprises and hidden hangouts.
Wow, just wow!
Polly's turning an ordinary day at the pool into a Splashtastic adventure!
Ice cream, who wants ice cream?
Oh, Polly, you're selling some ice cream?
Yeah.
What flavors do you have there?
Hi, I have some vanilla ice cream and some strawberry.
Hi, Polly.
Hi, I'm serving some ice cream for my little guy.
Really? Where's your little guy there? Oh, the little doll here.
It's hungry.
She's really hungry, I guess. The ice cream cart can transform into a tiny pool.
Amazing. Oops, I said slowly.
Ready, steady, go. Boing. Pool is just so pretty. Look at that. There's a big one and a heart-shaped pool. And look at this slide, guys. Wow. The slide is so
Cool.
You are just right. Yo ho ho! It's a tiny pirate cove. Amber, what can you say about this toy?
It's perfect.
Really? What do you love about this toy? Can you tell us?
Yeah. There's a pool, some drinks, and lifeguard chair, ice cream stander, and there's a nice floaties.
Yeah, there are nice floaties. And what I also love about this toy is there are secret pockets like this one. There's a secret pirate cove here when you open it, right?
Yeah.
That is just so cool, right?
Yeah.
And just the same with this ice cream cart. Did you know there's a hidden swimming pool inside? Look at that, guys. That is just
Super cool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. See you guys.